right, today we're at the Seafood Cartel. Let me show the front. It's right here off Kamehameha Highway. And that's the sign right there. Get this out of the way. And it's Sonoran style Mexican food with seafood. So we're here, it opens at 11 and we'll go check it out with my friend Davin. This used to be the old Wally hose, if you're not familiar. And there was like a garage shop next door, and it's now Alani's garage. And if you go up further, there's the 49er grill at that intersection. Yeah, Mexican Coke. So yeah, they have Mexican Coke, Mexican Sprite, Fanta. It's really nice and cool inside, and lots of chairs. So this is Davin, my friend, who used to actually always eat with me, right?
Right.
Before we even started filming.
Yeah.
And then we'd go all over the place and like
life got busy.
Yeah, life got busy, and I was a dork and I'd always take pictures of all the food. So I'm glad you could join me today, all the way from
excited.
Kamehameha. So we got Mexican sodas. Is this the first time you ever had a Mexican soda?
I think so.
Okay, let's see what your opinion is of Mexican Sprite.
Tastes Mexican.
What does a Mexican taste like now? I'm just joking.
Right here.
Okay. I guess the difference is it's real cane sugar. They don't use corn syrup. Americans use
I drink a lot of Sprite, so there's a big difference.
Yeah, so it's real cane sugar.
Like milder,
Not as sweet as American stuff.
Yeah.
All right.
Pretty good.
So I got my Mexican Coke. I've had it many times before, and I like it. I like the natural cane syrup taste and the carbonation. It's good. Sometimes you can find it at Sam's Club. I know they used to have it once in a great while. Service is super friendly. We're waiting for our food. You get a number and you can sit outside or inside. Inside's very cool with AC. They have limited parking, but I guess you could, I don't know if it's the right thing. There's another parking lot right next to the Runner's Corner and Dixie Grill. But they got about 5 stalls. And the guy in there was really friendly. Too bad I couldn't film him, but it was kind of on the fly. He said that this was opened by a relative from the 49er, which I just mentioned, right down the road. And I guess they married into somebody that's Mexican, and they are doing this food. So they are related to the 49er next door. So great local business. Let's see what the food's about. If you like seafood, you probably love this. It's Mexican style seafood. The only thing on the menu that's not seafood is a steak taco. The rest is shrimp, crab, oysters, etc. Sweet.
Oysters.
Thank you so much.
Just like in Mexico.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
Look at that. Okay, thank you. So that's Davin's shrimp taco. It's like massive. There's my platter of oysters. That was kind of expensive, but we're at a seafood restaurant, so I'm gonna eat it. Davin can't have it because he's allergic to raw seafood.
Well, I know ahi for sure, but I don't want to chance it.
Yeah, we don't want to get itchy and swollen. Well, Davin doesn't.
Itchy and swollen, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
And then we have a nice background, I don't know if you can see, of Aloha Stadium, and the train to nowhere keeps going back and forth. Our rail. So Davin's gonna try his shrimp tacos. It looks very good.
If I can.
Yeah, it's like massive. You can't even fold it.
If I can get it to.
2 tortillas.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, you can make 2.
Yeah, yours just comes with 2 too.
Right, but usually you eat it together. But
really?
You're smart. You're smart because that is not going to wrap.
I cannot.
It is huge.
I wouldn't be able to eat that.
No. All right.
All right, here we go. Whoop.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It has Davin's approval.
Yummy.
Oh, sorry.
It's got the aioli, the spicy aioli.
Yeah. Is it crispy?
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
Sure.
I'm gonna try one of the oysters. I put lime on it already. It's got some of that sauce on it already. It has chopped up shrimp, cucumbers, tomatoes. Wow, look at that. And it's raw, so I like raw oysters. Really fresh. Wow, that's good. So good.
This is good too.
Yeah, they put it on here already. It's not too hot, right?
No.
It's very flavorful.
Well, it's perfect for me.
Yeah. And the extra shrimp on top too. And the tomato and the cucumber give it a crunch. Amazing.
Down?
Yes, it's so good. I'm so glad you came here with me. And this is the Sonoran tostada. And it's got a spread of blue crab on there with some crema, some chopped shrimp, avocado, and that same cucumber and tomato thing on it with cilantro. I don't even know how to tackle this because it's huge. Crunchy, yummy. That blue crab creamy thing, it almost tastes like blue crab and cream cheese. So good. Okay, let's try it with the sauce. I like it.
The sauce is good.
It is good. It's not your typical hot sauce, because it's got a lot of flavor, like garlic and stuff. It's very flavorful, so it's not just hot. That tostada is so good.
Yummy.
Would you like a piece, like on the side I didn't eat? I think I'm just gonna eat the top because it's so messy, and then eat it. Man, the flavors coming out of this, from the oysters to the tostada. It's got that nice, clean tomato and cucumber crunch, and then the mix with the cilantro. Oh, so good.
Oh, well, we've been sitting here for like 10 minutes since we got the food, and I'm just starting eating the second one, and it's still like crunchy and like delicious, like it just came out.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
So I'm hoping you hear us, because there's a lot of traffic here on Cam Highway. I mean, it won't bother you eating, but for video purposes, it's kind of hard. So if not, I'll put subtitles on the bottom. But this is amazing food. So if you're looking for something different and you're interested in seafood and Mexican food, definitely check this out. It is definitely by no means spicy. It's got that nice cream cheese with the blue crab in there. If you like that cream cheese kind of taste, you're gonna like this. With the contrast with the tostada that's crispy, and the avocado and the flavor of the cilantro and the cucumber and the crisp tomatoes. And they have a lot of chopped shrimp. It's super generous with the seafood. Very, very delicious. If you're into oysters, you're gonna love it as well. Fresh seafood, very tasty. And if you're into meat, they have the steak tacos. And Davin enjoyed his shrimp, and it looked very big. So pretty reasonable prices in terms of seafood. It's just the oysters were a little bit pricey, but if you're into oysters, these are really fresh, so you can't go wrong with it.
Hi, my name is Cesar. I'm part of the chef and kitchen here. The little bit of the story is a family of a wife, Mexican wife, and a Hawaiian, and they all started with their daughter. She was in Mexico studying for almost 6 years, and they come back and they start doing the ceviche for every farmer's market, and then they opened the restaurant here. Authentic Sonora style, fish, shrimp, all kinds of tacos. We got oysters. So all part of these is like family from restaurants for the 49ers, everything. It's a big family, and they're ready to serve some authentic Mexican food for all of this Hawaiian people here.
So there you have it. That's the story of it, and they give really, really fresh, everything's super fresh. So come on down to the Seafood Cartel if you're interested in fresh seafood, if you're a seafood lover. They have great ceviches as well. and you can enjoy the outside, or if you don't like the traffic noise, you can sit inside. They've got great AC. It's very cool in there. Very clean place, friendly people. And if you like this, press the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you again next week on another food adventure. Thanks, Davin, for joining me. Maybe we can do more food adventures.
Yes, we got to.
Yeah. All right. So with the train to nowhere going, we're out as well. Bye-bye.